YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to get into this ideal standard flush button. As you can see in the bottom left, it says ideal standard just about on the left. Also, the toilet is ideal standard, so normally they go hand in hand, but not all the time. But look for a mark on it and it should say ideal standard on it. That's how you know it's an ideal standard. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to feel around the edge of the flush plate. Make sure there's no fixings or screws. Make sure you do check that all the way around. And with that, there's no fixings or screws. Next, you're going to push these buttons in. Make sure there's no tabs or screws inside there, which on this one there isn't. There's no fixing or screws, so you know it's not there. Then you just need to know if it slides left to right at all. And on this one, it does slide a little bit left to right. So what you're going to then do is look on the right hand side, and there is a little cutout, and inside that you do have to put a screwdriver and it will release from the right hand side. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to pull it off with a bit of force and that will pop off. As you can see, I just give it a good tug and that will pop off. This isn't the way to do it. As you can see, there's that white slider that you need to push in just here, and that will pop off from the right hand side and you can release it from the left. With that, you can then look inside and you can then undo the two white screws at the front to release the mounting plate and also the push pins. But from inside here, you can isolate the water just down there with the blue toggle, and you can also change the fill valve and the flush valve quite easily once you've removed all the front parts. So with that done, you can then put that on in reverse order. So I push it on from the right hand side and clip it on at the left, just like this. And with that pushed on firmly, that is done. If this video has helped, please do like and subscribe.